Hey, what's up? What's up? So today is the what day is it? This August 30th, the last trading date of the month. So I already know you probably came here and you seen the title, um, the hidden secrets of trading success unveiled. I'm gonna be honest with you. A lot of things are gonna be secrets to you if you don't research and read, and that's how a lot of people get y'all. You want the easy way out. You want to just be told what to do. So hey, might as well hide it in the book. It's a secret to you. It's hidden. It's a hidden secret. So the biggest thing, I want to say thank you first and foremost for coming by the channel and checking it out. And also, let's go from there. So welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be peeling back the curtains on trading and exploring why it's such a crucial skill for achieving financial independence. It's one of those skills, but I say you got a 9 to 5, don't quit your 9 to 5. Continue to add to that. You already know a lot of the videos I say, stop trying to use trading as a tool to, I'm gonna quit my job early. I'm gonna do this. Stack your bread up, use trading as a tool to get your bread up, then invest some of that money into something else. All right. Whether you're a newbie or someone who's been in the trading game for a while, understanding these tips could be your ticket to trading success. So let's set the stage and let's get started. Check it out. All gas, no brakes. You already know what it is. All right. So trading is not easy as it looks. I know if you look at the chart, and a lot of people tell you, man, if it goes up, sell. If it goes down, buy. Whatever, whatever they say. If it goes down, you buy. If it goes up, you sell. Yeah, whatever. One of the biggest challenges traders face is emotional decision making. Emotional decision making. When the market dips, panic sets in, leading to hasty decisions that often lead to losses. Then there's a lack of solid strategy. You may jump in without a trading plan. Buying and selling is on a gut feeling. And I say this every single time. So y'all can hear me beat the dead horse, but I will continue to say it. Many jump into the trading without a plan, buying and selling based on gut feelings or what they hear on social media. This can be a recipe straight up for disaster. Trust me, I know. And don't forget about the overwhelming amount of information that is out there. There is so much information out there. But here's the key. As you come along in the game, you got to decipher what's real from fake. You're grown up. You should know what's real and what's fake. All right. It's easy to feel lost and confused. So if you ever feel stuck or frustrated with your trading, you're definitely not alone. All right. And we're going to go over this PowerPoint again. Of course, every single video, you're going to hear me say the same thing over and over and over. I believe in muscle memory. The reason why I say muscle memory, because I come from the military. So a lot of things we did on training-wise, we continued to do it and do it and do it. So when we did go to combat or we did go to the rifle range, it was always muscle memory. All right. So it automatically happened because we did it thousands of times. So if you see me with 1,000 videos, you're going to probably hear the same thing over and over. All right. So let's lighten up things just a little bit, explore some key strategies that successful traders use. I don't know I'm going to be honest. I don't look into other successful traders. I just look at what I'm doing. All right. I looked at a few successful traders, but I don't after them, it's like, all right, I got what I need. I'm going to continue to research and help myself out. What is that? Oh, yeah. All right. I'm sorry about that. First up is risk management. All right. Risk management is key. It's all about knowing how much you're willing to lose on the trade before you even enter it. Setting a stop loss order is a great way to protect your capital. All right. So market analysis, of course, successful traders don't just dive in. They study charts, trends, patterns, informed decision makings, fundamentals. And here's a big one that gets overlooked: psychological resilience. Trading can be a roller coaster of events and emotions, and staying calm during both the lows and the highs can make the difference. All right. These strategies always aren't just buzzwords. All right. Let's get into the charts. Well, I ain't going to say the charts. Let's get into the handy dandy. Let me see. Where is my stuff at? All right. Let's do this. Let's bring up my PowerPoint. All right. And bring it up right here. And let's go all the way back. I went too far. All right. So check it out. This is my trading strategy. And then we're going to go into the charts and all that good stuff. All right. We're going to go into the charts after this. All right. Watch your risk. Ensure you backtest any market you wish to trade. I get a lot of, hey man, does it work on the 4 hour? Does it work on the 1 minute? Does it work on the 15? Hey man, I'm giving you the tool. Go back test it yourself. All right. I back test this on the 15th myself. And I back test. The main thing is I like to day trade off the daily time frame. Not day trade. I like to trade off the daily time frame. That's where I make the bulk of my percentages at. All right. Or my money. I'm just be real. All right. Because I got other things to do besides sit on the chart all day. All right. Other than that, let's move into the next slide. All right. Wait for price to break above the 20-period SMA moving average. All right. Screenshot this. Or get up in the Telegram. The link is down below. And as for, I'll give you this PowerPoint if you want it. I'll put it in. You got to get on Telegram and hit me up about it. All right. 2 candle lows must plot completely above or below the moving average for that trading signal. My biggest key is if you're looking for a buy, you want 2 bullish candles. If you're looking for sell, you want 2 bearish candles. All right. Place the buy stop order above the order at 20% above the high of the highest high of the 2 candles. This is strictly for a buy and sell stop. All right, let's move to the next. All right, look at this. Let's go into that. As you can see, we on the buy. Oh, it's bullish. I ain't gonna say we on the buy. We took a buy trade. Look, broke through right here. Set that big old candle at 1.1081. We didn't take it. The next one was bearish, a bearish trade, a bearish candle. Look at this. One came back around the 15th of the month. No, I say the 9th of the month. And boom, boom, all gas, no brakes. We got in that trade. All right, next slide. All right, let me let you marinate on that. And as you can see and look at how clean this chart is. If you go back and look at your chart and it don't look as clean as this on the daily time frame, you're wrong. Or even on the 15-minute, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, you're wrong. You don't need all them indicators on your chart. Get them off of there, dirtbag. Let's go. Look at that. Clean on the daily time frame. I'm telling you, price action is king. All gas, no brakes on the daily time frame. On the sell, broke below, completely below, 2 bearish candles, jumped in. That's when you're going to use your ATR for your stop loss. All right. If you don't know how to use the ATR, I'm going to do another class on that. But until then, use the 20 SMA. If you don't have an SMA, hell, use an EMA. All right. But I use the SMA. All right. If you look right here, it also helps with the ATR also helps with helping consolidation. All right. If you look right here, all right, look, broke down this highest candle. All right, and it saved us. And honestly, you didn't need no ATR for this. Because I'm gonna tell you off the bat, this hit the candle. So you wasn't gonna get in there anyway because it didn't completely plot below because you got a whole wick sitting here. You know what I'm saying? All right. If the wick is touching, the trade is invalid. It don't count. If the candles have moved over 150, 180 pips with those 2 candles, don't count. Trade is invalid. Look at this. Broke through. Nothing here. Nothing here. Oh, look at that. Candle. Boom. Look at that. I used the SMA for my stop loss. Yeah, we could have turned to the Heikin-Nashi candles and kept going. Didn't want to. I like to get in and out. You do what you want to with your trading strategy. You can go 1 to 5, 1 to 1,000. I go 1 to 1. I get out. All right, look at this. Beginning of the trade month. This was June, July. Yep. All right. Normally, I don't take trades at the end of the month. I let it prepare out and move into the next month. But look at this. Broke through. Nothing. Trade invalid right here. See, touching the candle. Touching the EMA. Here's my first one. I put a arrow right here. Boom. This one came up. Take the arrow off. Trade invalid. Trade invalid. Don't matter. Don't ask me no questions about what if this, what if Susan that, what if Danny did this. Oh, well. All right. Trade invalid. All right. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. All right. 1, 2. Boom. Look at that. Use the SMA. And here's the thing. Make it simple. Make it simple. All right. Losing trades will happen. They will happen. Even on the daily time frame. Look here. But here's the key. I'm going to show you this on the chart when we get on. Here's the key. If your weekly, when this trade comes up, if your weekly and your daily is not aligned and they're both not bearish on this trade, invalid. And I'm gonna be honest, I didn't look at it on this one. If your weekly says bullish and your daily says bearish, don't take the trade. All right, plain and simple. All right, let's move into, let's get out of this. Let's pull this chart up. All right, here we go. And if you look, we're going to go to AUD CAD. This was, and let's go, this what started the month right here. That started the month. This is September. Look at this. All right, this is a trade that we took. That's why I want to show you that we took it right here. Let's go back. We took this trade and we put it, I put it right here just for not shits and giggles, but I put it right here to let it breathe a little bit. And if you get out of it, as you can see, I jumped out this trade with the loss of 45 of almost 50 pips. So we took a loss on that one. We called 13 trades this month. We lost 3, and you go figure. All right, here we go. Look at this one, the end of the month. This Euro CAD on the 27th. I'm gonna tell you on the daily time frame, I'm gonna be honest with you, you might not get no trades till about the 15th or the 19th. But guess what? When they come and they set up, let the floodgates open, it will happen. All right. Be patient. Be patient. All right. Look at this. Plain and simple. Broke below. This is, look, let's show you. First of the month. Where is first of the month? It's the first of the month. Look, didn't mess with no trades. Didn't mess with this. Didn't want it. All right. Didn't want it because guess what? If you looked up here, see this big old candle? We weren't messing with no buys underneath here. But you could have, you know, if you reverse trend trade, that's not my key. That's not my thing. You could have took this little trade back in here. I don't reverse trend trade. So, bam, bam. Look, nothing this month. Look when this came. Look when that came. The 27th. And we got in on the 29th. All right. It opened up for us on the 28th. We got in on the 28th. It was done on the next day. Boom. That's 69, 70 pips. All right, look at this. Nothing. Look, remember I told you if it's too far, look at that. From the EMA, that's almost 200 pips. You're not finna take no trade all the way. Let me get this. You're not finna take no trade down here. No, sir. No, ma'am. No, whatever you, no tree, whatever you call yourself. All right. No, big dog. Get what I'm saying? No, that's silly. And if you just look over here, you see some support and resistance. You can see. All right. No, sir. All right. Well, you see it? 1, broke through. 2, a little push candle. 75 pips. You got in this trade on the 20th. Nothing on this to the 20th. Get what I'm saying? Now look at this. First of the month, August. Look at that. What I tell you, if you have patience, stop trying to get into this market every single day. You got other stuff to do, go do it. Just check back at 5:00 p.m. Central Standard Time or whatever time frame you in, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, you know, whatever standard time you in. Check the market once a day. You don't see it on 40-something pairs, leave. Or if you see it, like I said, look, I came here on the 16th. No trades on US pound dollar to the 16th for me. I was good, chilling. Came back on the 16th, marked it off. Came back on the Monday, marked it off. Guess what I did? Let me see where this EMA was at. Look what I did. Marked it off. 165 pips. All right, 165 pips. Boom. Look at that. Now, let's see how long that took. From the 20th to the 23rd. See what I mean? You got 165 pips. You could have traded all month and still not got 160 pips if you're trying to day trade. You get what I'm saying? You coming into the charts every single day trying to make some money. You ain't see nothing come up because this is a bunch of BS right here. If you brand new to the game, this right here ain't gonna work for you because you don't even know real price action yet. See what I'm saying? You're trying to day trade and scalp on the lower time frame. You don't know what price. You can't even be successful on this one. You came to trade to give your time freedom back. Why you leaving one job and coming sitting at a computer all day, 8 hours a day, looking for a trade? When you can get this strategy down, or you can get your mentals down, and know some setups gonna take 2 or 3 days or 15 days to set up. But when it's set up, boom, you got your pips for the month. Let's go to Euro USD. Look at this. Start of the month. And last month, it was JPY pairs that acted fool last month. All gas, no brakes. Let me know when you hear this, at what time you heard this. All gas, no brakes. Look, came up, negative, trade invalid, retested. Look at that. Oh, look at this. Came back the first day, the 12th. All right, we got one here. Oh, look at this, the 13th. Guess what? When that closed on the night of the 13th, guess what I did? Got in 100 pips. And it even went higher than that. But we're going to just stay with 100 pips because we do one-to-ones over here. 100 pips, we out. Currently with GU and EU, that's 265 pips right there. You got to stand a lot on both. That's your rent money right there. Almost 3K. What do you know? Look at this. Start of the month. Where's the start of the month? Look at that. Okay. Let's go over here. See how clean this stuff is? You don't need all that other stuff. Look at this. Came up, touched the thing, invalid. Oh, look at that. The knife. Nope, nothing. Look, boom. Then we got one right here. Boom. All right, guess what though? Where we at? Let me see. Where's my All right, let's go back. Here we go. And look at this. Boom. 104. All right. Now keep in mind, if it gets close, I don't know who your broker is, but if you got one of them offshore brokers, they might open up your spread. You might get taken out on some of these trades. All right. But look at this. Almost, but didn't. Boom. And even if you did, guess what? You can get right back in. Boom. Get what I'm saying? All right. Now, if you look at the ATR right here, that was 50. We didn't want that. We want EMA, SMA. Look at that. Still good. Next trade. Look at this. First of the month. Where's the first of the month? Boom. Came up. No, look, too far. I don't know what this mumbo jumbo is here. Came up. Nope. Look at that. You don't want to take none of these trades down here. Well, look at this. Boom, boom. And look at that. Now let's go back to see exactly where the EMA was at. Oh, let me do this. And let's go. All right, let's move. There we go. We saw it. Boom, right here. 57 pips. Let's just go 60 pips on the safe side. On the flip side. Oh, look at this. Didn't get a setup to the 23rd. And then from the 23rd to the 28th, we got 65 pips. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. I wouldn't suggest swing trading Euro USD. I mean, USD, US 30, unless you have a nice size account. But if you look right here, you could have traded this on a smaller time frame. But if you're a beginner, leave it alone. Leave it alone. Stop trying to get all up in the market because you see everybody talking about they made a hell of cash. Blah blah blah. Look at that. And let's go 1-to-1. Up 1-to-1. Look at that. Got in on the 16th, got out on the 29th. Now, I'm going to tell you, there's rollover fees for this right here. So be careful with that. All right. US 30. All right. So it depends on your broker. But other than that, Euro NZD. First of the month. Look, broke through. This is another one. Be careful. All right. Be careful. All right, this was another one. We could have got in. Well, we did get in, and we took a loss right there. We took a small loss right here, about 140. All right, and then guess what? What do you know? A few days later, you will take some losses, but guess what? If you taking 10 trades and you risk properly, or 13 trades and then 3 losers, but you 10 winner, if you risk them properly, you will make the money. It's all about it. Basically, look at it as investments. You got some that's doing well, some that ain't doing well, but you got more that's doing well. All right, look at that. 170. All right, 170, 170. And I put those losers in here so you can see that it ain't all winners. All right, but you want to have more winners than losers. Look at that. Boom. Just I can't tell you. I don't know what else I can tell you. All right, look here. Let's just take this off. Look at this. We see one right here. AUDNZD in July. In July. Look at that. Nice little trade. Came up. You already know. Look at that wick right there. You know not to take no sell after that wick. You know that's all buying pressure right there. Buying pressure. Look at that. 1, 2. Look at that. See? You can see it all over the place. A lot of foolishness. But you guess what? You caught it right here. Boom. And gave you a few weeks of nastiness up until June, but eventually, boom, it went up. Some of these, that's why you got to know what pairs you're trading. And when you look through it and look through the movement, because some will take a month, a week, a couple weeks. But guess what? You didn't lose unless you was like, hey, man, I'm done. But you have a nice risk size. Guess what? This closed out. This was May. And it closed out in July. So it took you a whole month to get through this. Get what I'm saying? So key point is, all right, take your time. Take your time. If you're just brand new to this, stop looking, get off the internet, stop looking at all these people talking about making, $1 million overnight, 60,000 per trade, blah, blah, blah. Guess what? Start practicing. If you like this strategy or you already have one, just add this strategy to your template. All right. Because I'm gonna be honest with you, daily time frame is king. Daily time frame is king. So the most critical secret to trading success is reading first and foremost. Is reading. Stop being a dodo bird. Read, and I'm gonna be honest. There's a lot of things that's out there free. I'm giving some free game. Unless you're trying to get a one-on-one, you taking time from my family. I already give out enough free game. But if you think you need some more game one-on-one, the link is in the description. I do one-on-ones, but I promise you, I'm giving enough free games on these videos. And my time with my family is my time. So if you take me away from my family, I'm sorry. Time is money. All right. Read a book. Baby Pips got something. I teach a bunch as well. All right. Develop a trading plan and sticking to it. This plan should outline your goals, risk tolerance, and the strategies you'll use. It's like a roadmap in the wild world of trading. All right. When things get tough, having a plan gives you clarity and discipline to stay on course. All right. So let's recap one more time. All right. We talked about, we didn't talk about, statistics a lot because I always hear 90% of traders fail, 90%. I don't know where they got that number from. You're going to fail if you don't continue to work. If you think it's that easy, you jumping in here and you think it's easy, you're going to fail because you quit or you trying to be lazy. That's the biggest thing. All right. The common challenges many traders face, we talked about that. The key strategies that can lead to success. Most importantly, we revealed that having a solid trading plan is your best ally in this journey. Remember, adopting these strategies can be a turning point in your trading career. All right. If you've been following me for a while, if you're in my Telegram group or my Discord group, or you've been following my videos, make sure you give me a like, a thumbs up, and say what up in the comment section, please. I like to hear your trading experience in the comments. Make sure you at least leave me an all gas, no breaks, and what challenges you might have faced. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. All gas, no breaks. So happy trading, everybody. And see y'all after the holidays.